liquid enough for this one. There you go. Come on, eat up. Oh, good appetite, baby. Very good.
She's nice and calm with the baby birds out.
Hmm?
She's being calm because of the baby birds.
No, she usually cleans them up after they eat. Yes, yes, so. You want to go down for a minute and I'll take your sister or brother? Yeah, I'll put you in here for a minute. Face plant. Isn't this one just stunning? What a beautiful bird.
Mm-hmm.
You are really gorgeous. I gotta find a name for you.
Well, it's white. No, that doesn't work really. Ice or frost.
Ooh, Frosty maybe.
I was just thinking frost.
The reason I was asking about your work tomorrow is because I'm supposed to do training with her and I don't know how I'm going to be able to feed these suckers when I'm gone.
I don't know.
Come on. There you go. I know you're hungry.
Stella, what are you doing?
Oh, you're making such a mess. Thank you. But you got some in there. Want a little bit more, pumpkin? Come on.
Why are you licking my...
Come on. Oh, yes. I mean, this one's almost 2 weeks younger than that one. But he's got a very good appetite. But Mom and Dad have completely stopped feeding them. So I had to take them out. I didn't have a choice. Okay, you're done. You won't even eat now. Thank you, dear.